Hi, Harry.
Hello, teacher.
Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you?
I'm happy.
Wow, very good. Are you done eating?
Yes, I do.
What did you eat?
I eat. I eat chicken.
Chicken. Okay. Okay, so before we will start, let's have an energizer first, okay?
Yes.
Okay, so I want you to dance with teacher. Okay, it's just 1 minute dance. Then after this one, we will
Oh, you said no, no, no. I said no, 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 no. You say take me home. I said no, Perignon. You said no, no, no. I said no, 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 no. No, 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 no.
Hasta la mina loca, 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 loca. Te encanta la música, te toca, toca, toca. Hasta la mina loca, 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 loca. Te encanta la música, te toca, toca, toca.
Oh, I wanna see rain on me forever. Rivers of champagne, celebrate together. Oh, I wanna see rain on me forever. Rivers of champagne, celebrate together.
Hasta la mina loca, 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 loca. Te encanta la música, te toca, toca, toca. Hasta la mina loca, 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 loca. Te encanta la música, te toca, toca, toca.
okay. Okay, it's done. Okay. Okay, so now are you ready?
Yes. Mm. 1, 2, 3. I'm very.
Okay. Again, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, I'm ready.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm ready.
Okay, so we will continue our topic last meeting. Okay. Where do we stop? I think we stop from, may I find it first? It's in, you're done here. Okay, here. Okay, we stop from here. From a non-conflict. Okay. So can you see it clearly?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Okay, Harry. Uh, let me excuse me for a while because our dog
Yes.
keep on. Can you hear our dog?
Yes.
Okay. Excuse me for a while.
Mm.
So let us continue our topic last meeting. Okay, can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay, so here we discuss about, oops. Okay, we discuss about the
The non-fiction.
nonfiction. Nonfiction. Nonfictions means
Fast, bass, literature.
very good.
Stories. Real people, animals, things, or events.
Okay, so when we say nonfiction, it is based on reality, nothing but truth. Okay, true story. So when we say Italian food is what?
Italian food is popular in many places around the world because
Okay, okay, so it is
it is all quite simple to
prepare.
prepare.
Okay, so much in that because we already discussed that last night. So it's just a review about nonfiction. Okay, so again, Harry, what is nonfiction?
Mm, it is
It is
it, it is vast literary to stories, real people, animals, things, and events.
okay, and events. Okay, okay. I have here an example. You will say if it is true or false. Okay, so I will have an example. Harry is a boy. He is 8 years old. What do you think? Is this is a non-flexion, true or false?
Mm, true,
True. Very good. Why it is true? Because
because mm, non-fiction,
okay, non-fiction, it is true because Harry is
a boy,
okay, it is true because Harry is really a boy and he is
and yes, oh,
okay. Are you still 8 years old or are you 9?
yeah, 8 years old
Okay, so meaning to say this statement is
is
true.
true,
Meaning to say when it is true, it is
non-fiction.
non-fiction. Okay. Okay, so let's move to our new topic for this evening. Okay, we have here, okay, okay, let's read.
Will we will read a passage
Again, this is
about
again, Harry, this is passage.
passage about food from different countries. What special food from other countries do you like?
Okay, so what is the special food in your country? Do you know?
Mm,
You don't know?
I don't know.
Okay. So last night I said to you that the best or the special food here in the Philippines is adobo. Okay, can you say it again? Adobo.
A double.
Okay, adobo. Adobo is a chicken, a chicken recipe where Filipino people can cook it, adding some soy sauce, vinegar. Okay, so that is adobo. Okay, so this is your assignment, okay? You will know what is special food in your country, okay?
Yes.
Okay, you will research what is the special food in your country. Then our next class, I will ask this to you again. Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so let's find out what special food some countries have. Okay, so now we will be talking about what are the special foods that other countries have. Okay, so let us proceed to our next slide. Okay, okay, let's start from here. Let's read
Food around the world.
food around the world. Okay, let's start here.
The world has many different kinds of food. People like to eat things like steaks, salad, and bread.
Very good.
People also like to eat fresh fruit like apples, bananas, and strawberries.
Mhm.
These are very common foods.
Okay, so do you believe, Harry, that each country has different kind of food? Do you believe
Hmm,
that each of our country has different kind of food?
hmm,
Do you believe?
I don't believe.
Okay, you believe. Okay, so there are many foods, many kinds of foods around the world. Okay, so our world is so big, so there are a lots of different kinds of food. Okay, people like to eat like steak, salad. Have you already eat steak, Harry?
Yes, I do.
Okay, how about the salad?
Hmm, yes, I do.
Okay, so those are the examples of the food that people love to eat. Okay, it's just not about steak and salad, but also they eat fresh fruits. Okay, what are your favorite fruits from here?
My favorite food is strawberries.
Wow, strawberries. I strawberries is sweet or sour?
It's sweet.
Sweet. Okay, but if it is not that ripe, it's sometimes it tastes sour, right?
Yes.
Okay, but but if it's ripe, it is already sweet. Okay, so let's continue first the discussion, the world.
The world has many types of special food. Do you know any types of special food?
Okay, have you know other special foods in the other country? Can you have an idea or at least one food from the other country?
Hmm,
How about example, a stinky tofu, where it came from?
a stinky tofu is made of China.
Very good. It came from China. Okay, so that is one of the special food in China, a stinky tofu. Okay, but there are tofu also that is not stinky. Okay, people,
People like to eat all sorts of things.
again, this is sorts.
Sorts.
Okay, sorts. Okay, we have a question here. What?
What are some kinds of food that people like to eat?
Okay, so I will ask you, Harry. Harry, what what kinds of food that you like to eat?
I like is
I
salad.
like it. Again, I like eating.
I like eating salad.
Okay, I like eating salad. Harry likes eating salad. Okay. What else? Aside from salad, what else? What else do you love to eat?
I like eating chicken.
Chicken. Okay. And fruits, you love eating? What kind of fruit
I
again?
I like eat strawberry.
Okay, I like eating strawberry. Okay. So you love eating strawberry. Okay. How about this one? Let's have the
French food.
Okay, so we will be talking about the French food. Okay, what are the food in French? Okay, let's read.
Yes. In France,
In France,
in France, for example, people enjoy eating baked snow. The French like this dish more than any other people
in Europe.
Europe. In fact,
In fact,
most in
again, in
fact,
fact,
in fact, most people outside of
France,
France have never eat baked snails.
eating. Again, this is eating.
Eating baked snails.
Okay, so in France, the food in France is called French food. Okay, what is the best food in France, Harry? The
The baked snail.
very good. The baked snails. Okay, so this is the baked snails. Okay. People in France love to eat baked snails. Okay, but only people in France eat this kind of food. Some countries or outside the countries of France, they don't taste it tastes like to eat a baked snails. Okay, so this is the best food in France, the baked snails. Okay, France also.
Has many famous soup like French onion soup.
Mhm.
This soup is made with a beef broth and onion.
Okay,
It's
also
also
serve.
served with lots of cheese and bread.
Okay, so aside from baked snails, France also have their best soup. Okay, their soup is French onion soup. Okay, so this is the ingredients: cheese, uh, beef broth, and onion. Okay, so this is the food in France. Okay, first, what is the best food in France?
The baked snail.
Baked snail. Second one.
French onion soup.
French onion soup. Okay, so we have a question here, Harry. We need to answer this one.
What do people in France enjoy eating?
Okay, what do people in France enjoy eating? Okay, so let's start from the sentence. The people,
The
okay,
people
can
in
you in
France
what's next?
enjoy
In
en- enjoy eating baked snail.
baked snail.
Hmm.
What else?
Baked snails and French onion soup.
Very good. And French onion soup. Okay, very good, Harry. So the people in France enjoy eating baked snails and soup. Okay, can you read it one more? The people.
The people in France enjoying eating baked snails and onion French onion soup.
Okay, French onion soup. Okay, so how about the next one? Okay, we have the
Chinese food.
Chinese food. Okay.
Did you know people like stinky food?
Okay, did you know people like stinky food? Okay, so there are some people that really loves stinky food. Even it is has a strong smell, some likes it. Okay, so let's read in China.
In China, there is a very special dish called stinky tofu.
Okay,
The reason for this name is its strong odor.
strong, again strong,
Strong, strong odor. Stinky tofu is sold in
again
markets.
this is sold,
Sold,
sold.
sold,
Okay, very good, sold.
sold, and fruit carts on the streets.
Okay, so stinky tofu. Okay, China has a very special dish. Okay, this dish is called stinky tofu. Okay, why it is called stinky, Harry? Because
It's got a strong odor.
very good. It has a strong odor. Okay, so when people buy this one, so look at this tofu. Okay, some people may cover their nose because of its strong smell. Okay, food in the market is sold with
With, with, with food carts.
food cards. Okay, so this is the food cards of the people that sell it in the market. Okay, Chinese people
Chinese people mm,
eat
eat more stinky tofu than the
tourists.
tourists who go to China.
Okay.
Many tourists
Mm-hmm.
don't want to eat this food Because the smell is too strong.
Okay, so some people eat more stinky tofu than the tourists. Okay, what is tourist, Harry? What is the meaning of tourist? Do you know?
I don't know.
Okay, tourist. Okay, the word tourist means people who go to China to have a vacation. Okay, so this is mean tourist, meaning to say this is not the people who live in China. They only go to China to have some vacation, to have some uh business trip. Okay, so this is tourists, meaning to say some of the tourists did not really want to eat tofu because of its strong smell. Okay. If I will ask you, Harry, would you eat stinky tofu?
Yes, I do.
Yes, you do. Okay. Why? Why would you eat?
Mm,
Have you
I
already ate tofu?
mm, yes, I do.
Okay. So why would you eat stinky tofu?
Mm,
I will eat stinky tofu because
because mm, sticky tofu is
is
is slow in markets and
again again is to stinky tofu is
sticky tofu is slow in markets and food courts on the street.
okay. So that's the reason why you want to eat tofu. Okay. We have a question here, Harry.
Where can people buy sticky tofu?
Okay, where? Where can people buy a stinky tofu? People. Okay, let's start from
People,
answering people
people buy can
can
buy can buy stinky tofu in markets and
market what
and
country?
in China
Okay,
of
market of China. Okay, so again, what's your answer? Where can people buy stinky tofu? The answer is people.
people can buy stinky tofu in market of China.
Very good. In the market of China. Okay. How about this one? Okay. Let's have the
Mexican food.
Mexican food. Okay.
Have
Let's read.
have have you ever eaten a taco?
Okay. Have you eaten taco?
Yes, I do.
Okay, yes, you do. Okay, so we will continue our discussion about taco in Mexico next meeting. Okay, Harry, don't forget your assignment. What is your assignment?
Hmm. The assignment is
is
The salmon is
research
research research
the special food
the special food
in your country.
in your country.
Okay, so that is your assignment, okay?
Yes.
Okay, don't forget. Bye-bye, Harry. Good night.
Goodbye, teacher.
Okay, see you again.